Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Auto Repair. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a super simple trick to test your map sensor. No fancy multimeter needed. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just want to save some cash, you're going to love this one. Stick with me. Map sensors, or manifold absolute pressure sensors, play a key role in your engine's performance. If your car's been stalling or idling rough, this little sensor might be the problem. But how can you tell if it's working properly? Don't stress, you don't need expensive tools to find out. Let's jump right in. First things first, locate the vacuum line on your map sensor. That's the spot you need to focus on. Now, if you've got a vacuum pump, awesome. But if not, don't worry, I've got a neat hack using just your mouth. Yep, you heard me right. To test, apply a small amount of vacuum to the sensor. As you pump, listen closely to the engine. You should notice a smooth change in the idle. If the engine stabilizes or changes its rhythm, the sensor is likely still in good shape. Now, here's where it gets fun. If you don't have a vacuum pump, just use your mouth. Gently suck on the vacuum line. No, don't go overboard. I'm not trying to inhale the car here. Just a gentle pull, and watch how the engine responds. You should see a slight fluctuation in idle. If you don't, it might be time to replace that sensor. So, to recap, if you see a change in the engine's idle when you apply vacuum, your sensor's good to go. If not, it's replacement time. This easy method saves you time and money, no expensive multimeter needed. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Repair. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy DIY car hacks.